We traveled from Santiago, Chile to Mexico City, Mexico on AeroMexico Business Class. Check-in was slow and took forever. After immigration and security, which were quick, we headed to the Sky Team Lounge. It was big and comfortable with lots of seating and hot showers, but the food and drink choices were below average. The staff were friendly and helpful. Boarding, in contrast to check-in, was quick and efficient.
Oh, and this one.
So we're in 1A, 15, 1A, 1B.
I was seated in row 2. The seat configuration of 121 was similar to business class on other airlines. The television screen was big and had live TV option. I skipped the movies and watched some live soccer with my welcome champagne. Food options were basic, as was the amenity kit. Please like and subscribe, so that I can make more content. Coming soon, my trip to Patagonia and Antarctica. Subscribe to get notified. The cheese platter was good. My entree, the pasta, was quite good. I skipped the dessert. The lie-flat seat was easy to operate using the touch-screen remote. The bed was comfortable and I got a good night's rest before landing in Mexico City, early in the morning. We reached Mexico City on time, early in the morning. Please like and subscribe, so that I can make more content. Coming soon, my trip to South America including Argentina and Chile.